Okay, I want to do question number 3 on 2012 real fast. I have some questions about this too. I'm going to try to get before I get with you guys. So here is what the graph looks like. So let's do A first. At a price of $2 a pound, so here's the domestic demand, here's the domestic supply at $2, right? So at $2, it's hitting our domestic supply curve at $2. At a world price of $2, it's not $2. At a world price of $2, it's hitting our domestic supply curve at 2 million pounds. It's hitting our domestic demand at 14 million pounds. So this is how much we want. We want 14, but at a price of only 2, our domestic suppliers only supply 2. So we're going to actually import 12 million. B, suppose Loriland imposes a per unit tariff and the new price is $4. Well, if the new price is $4, we'll call this the price of tariff. That means the tariff has to be $2. All right. So identify the new level of domestic production. Okay. So here's a $4 tariff. Here's where it hits the domestic supply, which is at 6 million pounds. All right. And then here's the domestic demand is at 10 million now. So the domestic production will be 6 million. Calculate the domestic consumer surplus. Okay. Well, if we're sitting right here, the domestic surplus, essentially we're looking at this entire area like this, right? So so the actual from this graph is, remember, 1/2 base times height. So it's 1/2. Our base is 10 because we're going to be buying 10 million pounds. So 10 times where the price is 4 and the highest utility is 9. So our height is 9 all the way down to 4, which is our current price. So that would be 5. So 1/2 of 5 times 10, which is 50. So the answer is 25 million. What's the total tariff revenue collected by the government? So at this tariff, we're producing 6 million pounds, and we're producing 6 million pounds, but we want 10 million pounds. So we're going to be importing now 4 million, right? So this is how much we want. This is how much we're going to produce domestically. If the price is $4, so we're going to have 4 million pounds we're going to have to import. The tariff is $2, so 4 times 2 is 8 million. And then C, given the world price of 2, what per unit tariff maximizes consumer surplus and producer surplus? Well, remember tariffs, all tariffs they're just market failure. They're a tax. So if we want to be perfectly efficient, then the answer is 0. There is no tariff, and that'll make it efficient for us. So that is how you do number 3.